What's up guys, and it's officially here. The history has been made. We have the return of the Galaxy Note Neo model, or I should say the cheaper version of the Note, which Samsung could eventually call Galaxy Note 10 Lite. What you're looking right now is the actual official press render of the device in all the colors that's gonna come out. And not only that, we also have the full spec sheet for this phone, which reveals some surprising details. So first up, this phone was definitely needed because both Galaxy Note 10 and Note 10 Plus models are really expensive, and it's nice to see that they are bringing the Note magic to an affordable price point, which we haven't seen them doing since 2013. So the Note 10 Lite has the front design of Galaxy A51. It's a phone that I checked out a couple of days ago. The front design is very similar to that. It's a flat display with a punch hole towards the middle like the Note 10 family, but with a slightly thicker bezels. The screen resolution will most likely be 1080p HD+. It is reported that the Galaxy Note 10 Lite actually uses ultrasonic scanner compared to the optical fingerprint scanner that Samsung usually uses on its mid-range devices, so that's a nice touch, because we know that optical fingerprint scanner on Samsung devices are pretty mediocre. Switching over to the back, we have an iPhone 11 style camera sensor. It's a triple 12 megapixel treat, so the main lens is 12MP f1.7, then there's a 12 megapixel ultra wide angle lens and a 12 megapixel telephoto lens. Up front, we have a 32MP selfie sensor similar to the Galaxy A51. Now, it's gonna be coming in three colors: red, black, and white. In my opinion, it looks absolutely beautiful in the red color. The surprise of the Galaxy Note 10 Lite is its internal specs. We heard about this a couple of months ago, but now it's actually happening. Samsung is using the Exynos 9810 chip of the Note 9 inside this phone. Now, we all know that it's a last year chip, but it's still a flagship chip, which is better than using the Exynos 9610 or any other mid-range processor. Exynos 9810 means Samsung could use the same strategy with other high-end mid-range phones. And perhaps the biggest and the most confusing thing about the phone is that it's actually having a 4500 mAh battery, which is even bigger than the Galaxy Note 10 Plus. It's coming with Android 10 out of box, and you also get 25 watts of fast charging. Now, obviously, it's got the S Pen as well, but this S Pen won't have the gesture navigation system of the Note 10 model, so you don't get that. But other than that, it's gonna be able to do everything what a S Pen can do. And I think that's the main feature of this phone, bringing the Note Prestige to a more affordable package. It's looking great, honestly. Imagine if this phone comes out with a price point of $400. Man, it will sell like hotcakes, but it'll probably be more expensive than that. According to current news, it could cost $500 to $600. Again, nothing is confirmed. We might have different versions based on the storage, so it could actually be cheaper than the initial leaked pricing. As per latest leaks, Samsung could reveal the Galaxy Note 10 Lite and S10 Lite at CES 2020, which means that these phones could be specific to the United States market. And since they are coming to US, I think this is why Samsung also went with flagship naming, because I don't think Galaxy A lineup is that popular there. So it's a nice strategy, and overall I think it's gonna be a great phone. All depends on the price. You can actually pick up the Galaxy Note 9 for about $400 on eBay. Obviously, it's not new, so this phone sort of replaces that. And if Samsung really wants this phone to be a success, they have to price it somewhere around that price point. Otherwise, it's just gonna be close to phones like OnePlus 7, which obviously are better in every way possible. So yeah, it all depends on the pricing, but let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. Would you be interested in buying an affordable version of Galaxy Note? And I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.